This is the last characteristics of pavement surface. Unevenness index. In previous lecture, we have studied about friction, skid and slip, light reflection characteristics, and in this lecture, we are going to study about unevenness index. Now, what is mean by unevenness index? Unevenness index is an cumulative vertical undulations per unit horizontal length. Now, suppose this is the road surface, straight road surface. If there is formation of up and down over the road surface, up up and down over the road surface, this is the up and down surface. This is called as unevenness and sometimes called as corrugation. So this over the surface, this is rise and this is fall. Such types of depressions are created over the road surface. This phenomena is called as unevenness. To measure such types of unevenness, there is one device or equipment. The name of equipment or device is bump in integrator. This is the bump integrator, which are utilized to measure the unevenness index. How much rise, how much depressions are created or formed over the road surface, that equipment calculate or measure. In case of bad and incompatible pavement, there should be need to reconstruction of pavement. If there are number of unevenness formed over the road, for that pavement should be reconstructed. Means reconstruction of pavement is needed. Suppose this equipment means integrator gives reading gives reading in between 0 to 1500 mm per kilometer, then that pavement called as good pavement. If bump indicator gives reading of unevenness index from 0 to 1500 mm per kilometer, then that road or that pavement is called as good pavement. Now this is given in table. In table there are two column number 1, this is column number 1, this is column number 2. These are the two columns. In first column given unevenness index and in second column type of pavement. Now unevenness index range varies from 1500 mm per kilometer to 2500 mm per kilometer, then that pavement called as satisfactory pavement. Second point, 1500 to 2500 mm per kilometer, then that pavement is called as satisfactory pavement. If unevenness index range varies from 25 100 mm per kilometer to 3200 mm per kilometer, then that pavement is called as bad pavement. And last one is when unevenness index greater than 3200 mm per kilometer, then that pavement is called as uncomfortable pavement. In this case, in last case, if suppose there is unevenness index greater than 3200 mm per kilometer, then that road construction is required, means reconstruction of pavement should be required. So here given example of unevenness surface. See, over this vehicle moving, and this is the bump integrator which are utilized to measure the unevenness of surface. These are the corrugations in highway engineering called as unevenness. This up, rise or fall over the road surface. This is the rise and fall over the road surface. This is the concept of unevenness. Unevenness index nothing but only cumulative vertical undulation per unit horizontal length, means there is rise or fall with respect to horizontal